Hey, there's another airplane. Another airplane at a holiday gas station. Oh wow, he's got some fancy little Twinkie lights. That's cool. Oh, this guy he's got some liquor. He's all liquored up. He just got some liquor from the liquor store. Yeah, he just got liquor. He just got liquor from the liquor store. He's all liquored up. Oh, now he's gonna get some gas so he can drive around drunk. And that guy's like, my truck is making a really funny noise, and I don't know what it is. Oh shit! God damn, man! Oh! Damn! Wow, that's a pothole. Okay. Here we go. Anyways, an airplane at holiday gas station. The apocalyptics is going on. Everybody's getting their planes going around behind their cars. So when everything goes to shit, these guys can just pull alongside the road and pull their wings out, fire their airplane up, and get the hell off the highway. Anyways, comment, like, and subscribe. You see something to like, somebody else might like it. Somebody else might like it too. So, yeah. Anyways, have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.